With several parts of Georgetown inundated as a result of heavy rainfall over the last few days, the Civil Defense Commission on Tuesday donated several hampers containing cleaning supplies to the Mayor and City Council. ANARA brings the details.
The Commission is working closely with the Georgetown Mayor and City Council to bring relief to the residents in the most affected communities. On Tuesday afternoon, the CDC donated a number of hampers containing sanitization items to the M&CC to distribute to households affected by the floodwater. In an invited comment, Mayor of the capital city, His Worship UBRAJ NARINE, disclosed that the M&CC is currently working on a database to identify affected households and would begin distribution on Wednesday. He also expressed gratitude to the Commission.
At this point of time, I want to extend my sincere thanks to CDC for this assistance, and I can assure them that this here will benefit lots of the residents, especially in Albaistong.
He called on citizens to do their part and ensure the city's waterways are kept clean and free of garbage.
Again, I will say this, that continue to dump garbage in the canals, especially bottles and old cloths. It will clog the pump. So once again, we are contributing to the city. In this way, when rainfall, we are the contributor of our own disaster times.
To report flooding in your community, call the 24-hour National Emergency Monitoring System on 623-1700, 600-7500, or 226-1114. For InfoHub, ANARA.